Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to get fuel inside your Mercedes-Benz C180 Coupe. Go to the right side of your car and push the tank cover a little bit. After this, rotate the cover of the tank, left turn, and rest it. Then use the fuel, dip it in and press. So the fuel E10 is going inside the tank, and now you have to wait until the fuel process is done. After this, extract the fuel pistol and close the cover again. Good job. Rotate it right turn a little bit. This was the full E10. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.